Here is my nephews and nieces. They're playing around. They're just having a good time. Laika, come move right here, Laika. Oh, what's wrong with him? Huh? Right here, honey. What's wrong with you, hon? You okay? And there's my cousin Jean. Hello, hello. Leah is right here. Lee, look at her. She's crazy busy with her cell phone. Are you having a good time? Oh, of course. Yeah, I'm glad you're having a good time. Looks like the boy and girls having a good time. Jean, you have a good time, Jean?
Yes, sobra.
Ah, sobra good. Alright, so we're just hanging around the swimming pool. Nakalimot ko sa ako bathing suit. Kaya na nga may nag-lunch ang mga bata. Gusto na yun mag-swimming. Ang mga apo ni Jean. Mo na nga. O, ni dito lang may dire. Wapo kaya ang swimming pool dire sa Josette Honey. Yeah. Kanang overlooking yun more 160 degrees of view yun dire sa tubig. There is an infinity pool. Let me show you, okay? There you go. Yeah. Ada mga bata, nag-enjoy sila. Every year naagali ko diri, di ako na sila sa Siguna ko. We're in Cebu. We're on our way to New Star. New Star is a new casino in Cebu. It's almost like the one in Caesar's Palace in Vegas. So we're gonna go and check it out. And this is C-Selex freeway. And so it's a toll freeway. So we're now approaching the toll, and it's 90 pesos. I hear it. That's how much they charge you. It's nothing. This is like I-90 or 520, only it's wider. But this is longer. Oh wow. View at Tino, klaro mga building. Ato ng taas. Did you see that? Kasi na mag-build ani dahil mga Japanese.
Murag mga American. Siguro to anti-antanin ra may Japanese.
Oh. Wow, it's really the longest bridge here in Cebu. Wow.
In the Philippines din, ano yung pinaka-longest bridge. Ambot lang ka mga kay murag na ay bagong bridge karon sa Mindanao. Mindanao. Kisa una MacArthur man to karon. Napusa ka na tadi.
Okay. Ikaw mahalok deh.
Ay diyo.
Oh, okay.
Ang iyang view kay
Okay. This is Silex. You can see Cebu. That side. We're climbing up. Okay, here it is. And then we're gonna go here. Mas taas pa man ni San Juanico.
oh, 1 kilometer rabi ng San Juanico ante.
Siya, hindi lang ta. kita raman. Siguro, di siguro. Wow, look at this. I don't think Filipino built this one day.
Mao lagi. Dili ra ante. Ang mga Pilipino ani ante, kumbaga ang saragon ng labaw-labaw sa kuan ma.
Kana mga kuan na sila.
Foreman na sila dire. Formandan.
Pero man ito kilometer is very very long. Really long.
Really naman lagi dire pag-abot sa ubos lang. Oh, magyapon na. Lahi man ay dire gikan ni tunnel.
Ano na po dahil ni tunnel?
Oh. Buti mga hapon.
Apa lang taas to nga?
Oh, kani tapat na to rin wala.
Oh, wow. Suga po ni gabi ka mo suga.
Kuno yung sir ante.
Oh na, New Star.
So, hapit sa dire ante.
Okay.
Saan siya paingon?
Muna akong gingon ni mo din nga tumoy sa tulay is MC site.
Mo ni mga guwapa. Murag asa man ta paduong day.
Ante.
Asa repita?
Sa ilahang kuan na ay
Babae lo na may kwarta dali. Ikaw mga pabang. Guwapo ba ya ilang mall dire? Murag nasa Bellevue Square.
Pay imo.
Murag sa Bellevue Square ang ilang style. Sa ako lang nakita murag sa Bellevue Square. Kaya marin kami sa escalator na ako sa Starbucks dire oh. Okay. Naitiguang diya. Naitiguang nagbitbit og Pilipina nga. Bata pa kahit ora ay. We will see. And Jane is here. We're in SM. Shopping sa Tagaraliday. Mao lagi. Nice. Dami sa SM kadali lang namin magpabaylo lang may kwarta dali.
SMC site.
SM Seaside kuno ni nga mga mall, we'll see. Yeah, kuyog ako kasen, naghuwat pa ko sa ako pagumangon. Dahil mango diri na may mango po sa Amerika. So, di ako diri sa SM kay mga tumi sa New Star after niyani. Nato sa New Star Casino ko nito, kalami ko rin yung casino diri. So we're just waiting for my niece. Here we are. We're on our way to New Star, a waterfront casino and hotel. So we're gonna try to explore New Star and see if they have shopping mall. And I want to see and compare if it's the same as the one in Las Vegas. We'll see if it's the same as Caesar's Palace. I look at the picture and they have some shopping mall. They have tons of restaurants and hotel and casino. So, of course, Las Vegas is really good. There's all kinds of hotels in Las Vegas, and we'll see. We'll check this out, see if there is a comparison. All right. Louis Vuitton is here. So, pakudak mo diri. Dior, Burglary. All right. So, we are here at New Star. There's casino. Kung gusto ta diha. So there are so much shopping here, expensive shopping. And they have Louis Vuitton, Gucci, they have Dior, Ferragamo, everything. Bulgari, Tiffany. Yes, we have everything here. And it's just Balenciaga. Look at Balenciaga is about to open. Oh, so we're just walking. This is how we come out, right here. Okay, pag natin natin, so dream lang to sa Gucci, I think so. Burberry, you see there's Burberry. That's the first thing that we look. Is Burberry. That's the first thing that we see is Burberry, remember?
Igam na nili, dili bitaw tani.
Thai folk. Narita day. We're gonna go to the waterfront restaurant. There's Mont Blanc. Yeah. It's still louder.
Wala yung gingon nga expensive.
Yeah. Oh, Joe Malone. They have Joe Malone here. Hello. Now they did Joe Malone guy. Okay. And they have Daigo. So, narita. Sa waterfront. Alright, so we're gonna go to El Primo. El Primo yun dito mga orari day. We're gonna try to eat some El Primo, Italian steakhouse. Ako, Italian man yun. Gusto mo Italian? Okay. Let's go Italian. Okay, let's go to the Italian restaurant. Thai food unta to. And there's a casino. Oh my goodness. Dong na yung mga restaurant diha sud. Sa kilid-kilid diri? Oh, great. Thank you. All right. There's El Primo. It's an Italian restaurant. But there's a bunch of restaurant here. These are all restaurant here, Dai? Okay. Thank you, Dai. Wow. Look at this. All restaurants here. Let's see what they have here. So nice. So let's see what they have here. Sa may ilat dito. I'm hungry actually. Chinese place. Hi, Dai. At sa may yung mga menu, Dai?
We have 2,988 per person.
Per person. Yung unsa man yung nadi, Dai?
This one, ma'am. These are the unlimited items. Appetizer, dessert, mga fries.
2,000 per person?
2,900, almost 3,000.
Ay lang
And
na
then,
mga
we
kanang
also
mga
have a la
fried.
carte.
A la carte lang ako gusto, Dai. At sa may mga a la carte, Dai?
Hot pot me, ma'am. This is our soup base or Basar's mushroom soup.
Okay.
And spicy soup. Then, we also have fried, imong ganahan, ma'am.
No, not fried. Vegetable.
Vegetables.
Oh, a la carte lang mo, Dai.
A la carte, ma'am. Individual price.
Yes,
per
so
dish.
we'll get in the a la carte. Can we just look? We'll come back.
Yes. Hot
Okay.
pot me, ma'am. Shabu-shabu.
Oh, yeah, kami lutuon sa atubangan. Oh, okay. Let's go here first, and then we'll come back. Okay? Okay, and sama po ni dire. Another Chinese restaurant. We'll see. Hi, hi, hi. Japanese place? Japanese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me look at your per person. Kamagwapa ba ni mga Japanese woman? Oy, di man tama. Pwede ta dili mag unsa may 1,000 so ni.
We have teppanyaki, ma'am. We have sashimi, sushis.
Okay. Unsa may mga linunuto dai nga dili init ba?
Init, we have init po. We have ramen, ma'am. We have good for sharing also po. We have shrimp tempura, this one
Oh,
po.
the tempura.
The tempura.
And also, okay.
We have sukiyaki, then fried rice,
Because I love Japanese food.
ramen.
Ramen. I
We
don't.
also have set meal, ma'am.
What is this?
Ear.
No. You know what? Like there is already grilled something and then mixed with rice. Oh my gosh. Di ko kasabot sa inyo diri dayo.
Shrimp tempura.
Tempura? Oh, I don't want tempura. It's all. What's this?
We have skewers po. Assorted, ma'am. And for our ramen, ma'am, pwede siya good for sharing.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think we're gonna use this a lot. I love. All right, we choose the Japanese restaurant here. I think we're hungry, and we're gonna eat outside. Oh my gosh! Look at this place. Wow. See, that's the bridge. That's the bridge that we drove from there to get here. Oh my gosh. Day nga tulan siguro ta sa suday kay init man kay diri day. What do you think of this place, Day?
Yeah, super cool, super nice.
Super nice kaayo. So, gipili na mo ang kanang singa ni Japanese restaurant because my niece haven't eaten some Japanese food. So this is her first time.
Yeah.
So naglibog pa siya ug mukha mo siya og dili ba. I told her it's really good, it's healthy, but Japanese is really healthy. A lot of it is grilled, you know. Onya, on top of it, ang view pagkagwapo gyud kay 160-degree of view. Look at that. Look. My gosh. Nga breads, mo ni among giagian kanya pagkataas naman lang yung guys nga tanan. I think mga maybe like 4 kilometers yun nga breads. Taas you guys nga tanan. More than 4 kilometers or less than 4 kilometers. Mag-google pa si Leah. Pero perting taas. Mo to yung sa tinga nato day nga breads day.
Sisilex.
Sisilex. Unya, ang ending niya na di agi diri sa may New Star. Seaside. Anya ang na SM.
8.9 kilometers.
Oh my God, I was wrong. It's really longer than that. 8.9 kilometers. Can you imagine? That's the bridge. That's the longest bridge. Oh my gosh. So that's the one. Yeah. Almost 9 kilometers. Very long. Very long. And then it's a tall bridge. Kay musud kay kadiana mo bayad. But 90 pesos nothing, you know. Yeah, and kita ang mga mountains, naagid ang mga mountains. Yeah, besides that, the ocean, overlooking the ocean. Wow. Okay. So pretty. I love Japanese. This is one of my favorite food all the time. This is it. Si Jean morning among plato gamay ra kaayo. Japanese.
Maginahinay kita ni Kandos Lia kay bangin manlukso. Oh. Uy, sakto nis mag-diet.
Like it's healthy foods. That's why I love Japanese. Oh, diyan na si Leah ay. Leah, basta. Kaya ba na kamo gamit day?
Dili ante.
Sige lang. It's good experience for you, day, diba? Yeah, it's really authentic Japanese. It's really authentic Japanese for sure. Ano, ang plato ni Leah ay kamera ka ay mura lang cut.
Sakto gito mo ingon anti pang sushi rin. Itaw ni sa akong limaw.
Oh, lagi.
Ikaw ang sushi din.
Tempura is here. Thank you. What is this?
This is tempura sauce.
Okay. Okay. Let's eat the tempura. I'll say mo day to cook. Day, is this edible?
Yes, ma'am. That's ramen noodle.
Oh, ramen noodle. Oh my goodness, perfect. It's edible. Okay, so we can eat that. Sige daw din. Sa man yung pagkaon na, Jing. Lami no. So, dahil kaon niya dahil. Let's try that. Try ang tempura dahil. Oh, lami kayo ng tempura. Mmm.
Tempura din ako. Very
Mmm. Alright, so we're gonna try to eat this. This is noodles. Mmm. Wow. Ikaw na po lang. It's actually made out of noodles.
Kapila ko na to sa mama.
Okay.
Ma. Dili ma.
Oh, here's our food.
Ma, try ma. Hindi sa ka maihas ma. Try ma.
This is yours.
Mm.
Okay, look at this. Jean's food. And we ordered the same food. Wow! Yummy, yummy.
This is the miso soup.
Oh, nana po yung miso soup. That's nice. I love miso soup. It's my... Katong miso soup, Jean, mo ito yung mga ginahan sa Manila, nga soup. Alright, here's my food. Okay. I actually ordered 3 of the same. So everybody can enjoy. Okay. So Dai, let's look what's inside out. Kini siya morning tapa. There's miso soup. What is this? What is this? Shawan mushi. Unsa nito siya nga na to? Kimchi. All right. So this is the place that we eat here. It's a Japanese restaurant, and my cousin Jean, aka sister, because she grew up in our family. This is Jean and her daughter Leah. Busy silang pakudak-kudak. And look at this amazing view. You can't go no wrong here. My gosh. We finished our lunch. Japanese restaurant. Delicious. And now we're going back to our hotel. Look at their bathroom here at New Star. And let's show you here their bathroom. Jean is washing her hands. Heated pa yun like a Celia's Dino. And yeah, it's blue. Look. It's blue. And it flashes by itself. And also it's heated seat. Yeah, sila ni. Nice. Oh my god. Okay, this is it. We were here and the prices are very expensive, just like in US. So okay, let's go here. Celine. Let's look at Celine. Ang unsa day?
Babay gani natin.
Oh.
Sugat na to sa escalator ba?
Oh.
Dadag LB nga paper bag. Iya kay ana, tibali na man ka nang paper bag no. Iya kay ana sa ko.
Kaya nga naman day to.
Ingon ana man ako sa mga ahat-ahat at di ba nga nakapalit og LB. Ingon ana man ang mga ahat-ahat nga kabutang ba nga nakapait. Iya kay ana ikus ka. Ko nang naong. Di ana niya.
Oh my gosh, kaya imong gitaparan sa imong coach, siguro.
Ako siguro nakakita siguro siya. Di ana niya paper bag. Tingay.
Caligri ba, eh? Here's Celine. Celine is very expensive. The same thing. Very expensive. Celine is very expensive, yeah.
Asay ka mahal sa Louis dito sa
Louis siguro. Well, come out with the price. Alright, we just got out there from Blow Burberry. Gucci. Dahil pagpakudak mo diri. Pagbalik lang siguro nato. Okay, Gucci is here also. There's Bulgari, there's Dior. It's not the same. Us. Tory Burch is here. Right here, we'll go here. So Versace, yeah. Okay, and Ferragamo. O pagat sila halin diri. They're expensive. Loewe. I don't know what that. I never heard of this. O niya, nagtakas na magpakudak. Ha? Nagtakas nagpakudak. Ikaw, Jin.
Posing ay may paana-ana.
Oh. My paana. This is Burberry here. Not my favorite store.
Sila order yun dito. Tanaw na kung murag bigatin ang presyo.
So we're done with our lunch today. So we're gonna go down. Let's go down. Balenciaga is here. Diri naman ta day. Day.
Ting.
Maggato pa ka? O sorry, pagarita mong lusad. Yeah. Baka kahinomdom. Mong lusad na mi, manamig ka. Daghang kay shopping, pero kay sus may shopping kay mora magbit-bit ko ato sa Amerika. Pagkalisod magbit-bit. Then I got on me with Japanese restaurant. So we're good. We're ready to go back. Oh, yara ay. Yara ay ang Hanmart ay. Oh. Di na aragin ta diha. Manguli na mi. Di mo na sila sa ilang mga pagwapa.